I'm Daniel from Ikan. Welcome to InfoComm 2025. Today we're looking at our new concept called Fulcrum. Fulcrum is basically a all-in-one video, audio, network and power distribution system for a local camera station. So instead of having up to 16 various cables going to your pedestal, we can do it via one single cable, including power. So effectively what you'd have under your camera is one of these boxes. This has a built-in 10 gig network switch that allows you to separate all your VLANs for Dante, NDI, 2110, all your various key networks. It's PoE powered, so it has PoE power up to 700 watts, so you can power all your devices locally, like your camera, your NDI monitors as we have here. It has option slots in the back. So once you know what I/O you want, so if you want, let's say 12G to and from your camera system, and you want, I don't know, HD to and from your confidence monitor, you add those in the back of your slots, and then that all connects up internally and then runs back over this fiber. It patches very simply into a wall box in the studio, and this is just one example, where the power is injected, and that's on the wall box, and then it comes out as a single fiber. That fiber has the capable distance of about 50 miles away from the studio. Most people aren't going to use it over that kind of distance. Really where this could get used is a studio campus where you have multiple locations like theatres, sporting grounds, and you want one central studio. So you could just run that all over campus back to your central facilities, where it comes back into a rack like this and decodes it back to the various channels of video, audio, network. So this is a concept project. What we're showing here is 3 channels of video going to and from. So I've got 2 channels of video, one from the player, one from the laptop, coming to the system here. So one's showing a prompter, one's showing a video, and then I have a camera feed coming back the other way. So we're just showing 3 channels, but it has the capability of doing up to 32 potentially. So quite a lot of information, all uncompressed in real time. So that's a summary of the Fulcrum. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website, www.icancorp.com.